he admitted as the justice minister that he was intercepting our father's confidential communications and documents with his lawyers, which should be respected by attorney-client privilege. And he admitted to just violating fair trial, the rights to a fair trial. And as not only a justice minister, but also as a representative of the Rwandan government, we believe that he should not be the next ambassador of Rwanda to the UK, and that the UK should not accept his nomination because he's not a good representation of the rule of law by which the Commonwealth institutions live by.
Hashize umwaka n'amezi ane umunyapolitiki Paul Rusesabagina atawe muri yombi mu cy'u Rwanda rwise kugeza imbere y'ubutabera umunyabyaha. Abo mu muryango we n'imwe mu miryango idahanira inyungu cyane cyane mpuzamahanga bo bakaba barabyise gushimutwa. Leta y'u Rwanda yakoze byinshi igaragaza ko gufata no kubanisha Paul Rusesabagina byari bikwiye kandi ko u Rwanda rwabikoze mu nzira zubereje amategeko n'amahame mpuzamahanga. Hagati ariko abavuga ko yashimuswe bakomeje kuzamura ijwi hirya no hino ku isi. Uyu munsi abadepite bo mu nteko ishinga amategeko y'igihugu cy'Ubwongereza bo bakaba basabye igihugu cyabo gufatira ibihano abanyarwanda babiri bafite uruhare runini mu butabera bw'u Rwanda, ari bo Bwana Busingye Johnson wahoze ari minisitiri w'ubutabera, akaba ari nawe warambye cyane kuri uwo mwanya kurusha abandi nyuma y'umwaka wa 1994. Undi ni retired Colonel Ruhunga Jano, umuyobozi w'urwego rw'igihugu rushinzwe ubugenzacyaha RIB. Ese barasabirwa ibihano kuziye mpamvu kuki ari bo babisabirwa? Nibyo tugiye kubagezaho muri iyi nkuru. Hagati ariko tutarabyinjiramo yido nido, tubanze twiyibutse ibyo umuryango wa Rusesabagina wari wasabye inteko ishinga amategeko y'Ubwongereza mu kwezi gushize.
So the Justice Minister of Rwanda, Johnston Busingye, was nominated as the next Rwandan ambassador to the UK, and unfortunately, he is the same Justice Minister that accidentally admitted on an interview on Al Jazeera that the Rwandan government had paid for the flight that the plane that kidnapped our father. He admitted as the Justice Minister that he was intercepting our father's confidential communications and documents with his lawyers, which should be respected by attorney-client privilege. And he admitted to just violating fair trial, the rights to a fair trial. And as not only a justice minister, but also as a representative of the Rwandan government, we believe that he should not be the next ambassador of Rwanda to the UK, and that the UK should not accept his nomination because he's not a good representation of the rule of law by which the Commonwealth institutions live by, and so and respect. And so our goal and our hope is that he will not be nominated, he will not be accepted as the next ambassador, and we hope that this will also bring more pressure from the United Kingdoms and the Commonwealth institutions on Rwanda in order for Rwanda to respect the rule of law, and if they want to continue their membership in the Commonwealth of Nations. And so part of our efforts in the UK has been to raise awareness on the reality of the issues in Rwanda, but also the reality of what is happening with our father's case, and this justice minister's role in the kidnapping and violation of our father's rights.
Kugira ngo Minisitiri Busingye Johnson na retired Colonel Ruhunga Jano basabirwa ibihano byagenze bite?
Tukiri hano mu Bwongereza, akanama gahuriweho n'abadepite bo mu mashyaka anyuranye mu nteko nshinga amategeko gakurikirana iyubahirizwa ry'uburenganzira bw'ikiremwa muntu ku isi kasabye leta gufatira ibihano abategetsi babiri bo mu Rwanda kubera uruhare kavuga ko bagize mu kujyana Paul Rusesabagina mu Rwanda atabishaka. Umwe muri abo bayobozi ni Johnson Busingye wari minisitiri w'ubutabera igihe Rusesabagina yagezwaga mu Rwanda, hakaba leta y'u Rwanda iherutse kumugena ngo ahagararire u Rwanda mu Bwongereza. Rusesabagina yamenyekanye cyane muri filime Hotel Rwanda kubera igikorwa cy'ubutabazi yakoze muri jenoside yabaye mu Rwanda muri 1994. Aherutse rero gukatirwa n'inkiko zo mu Rwanda gufungwa imyaka 25 hamaze guhamwa n'ibyaha by'iterabwoba. Ni nkuru mugezweho na Siriake Muhawe nayo.
Ivyo umushingamateka Sir Ian Duncan Smith wo mu mugambwe w'abakonservateur yabivugiye mu kiganiro cabereye mu nyubako ya Westminster Hall mu nama nshingamateka cavuga no ku bandi bategetsi bo mu bindi bihugu nka Sudan na Iran bategerezwa gufatirwa ibihano bagirizwa guhonyanga agateka kazina muntu. Kumonesha kure ya Al Jazeera, Johnston Businye yahoze ari umushiranganje w'ubutungane mu Rwanda yaremanze ko ico gihugu arico carishe indege yakuye Paul Rusesabagina i Dubai imujana i Kigali. Umushingamateka Sir Ian Duncan Smith yavuze ico yagiriza Businye.
In Rwanda finally Johnson Busingye and I do.
Hanyuma ndavuga kuri Johnson Busingye mu Rwanda. Ndashimangira kuri iyi ngingo. Leta y'u Rwanda yibaza ko irikira kora ibiki mu kugena umuntu bizwi neza ko ahohotera afise uruhara muri vyinshi biba muri kira gihugu ngo aze kuba ambassadeur ngahe London. Ndabarahiye nkaba ndavyumva. Bibaza yuko Bwongereza bupfa kuvogerwa. Kumva yariyo yose yuko bashobora kuzana ujya muntu ngaha byose bikaba tankomanzi. Dukeneye kumva ijambo rikaze rivuye muri leta yacu. Ico ni nyamukuru. Ndavuga mwezina Colonel Janot Ruhunga, umunyamabanga mukuru w'ibiro bijejwe iperereza, afise uruhara runini mu gufunga no kuboreza igufa. Leta itegerezwa gufatira ibihano abo bantu n'imiburiburi ikaba intango.
At least as a start.
Itariki 31 z'ukwezi k'umunani President Paul Kagame w'u Rwanda yagenye Johnston Busingye guserukira ico gihugu mu Bwongereza nyuma y'imyaka 8 arongoye ubushikiranganje bw'ubutungane, ariko gushika nubu ntaraja gutangura ako kazi. Kuva akigenwa amwe mu mashiramwe mpuzamakungu aharanira agateka kazina muntu yaciye ashira akamo hejuru asaba Ubwongereza kutemerera uwo mugabo guhonyuza ukuguru muri ico gihugu kurangura amabanga yarahejeje gushingwa kubera ivyo yagirizwa kuri Paul Rusesabagina. Mu kwezi kw'icenda Paul Rusesabagina w'imyaka 67 azwi cyane muri filime Hotel Rwanda yakatiwe igihano cyo gufungwa imyaka 25 ahamishijwe ivyaha by'iterabwoba.
Twagerageje gushaka abategetsi b'u Rwanda ngo kugira ngo twumve icyo bavugaho, ariko ntabwo twashobora kubabona.
Whether it's either kidnap or hoodwinked or tricked. Well, first of all, let me eliminate the one of kidnapped. That was not the case. And he can, Rusesabagina will attest to that himself. There was no kidnap, there was no any wrongdoing in the process of his getting here. He got here on the basis of what he believed and wanted to do, and he found it's like dialing. You are calling a number, you want to get in touch with somebody, and you find you have called the wrong number. That's how it happened. So there was no kidnap. It was actually flawless.